Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Banks will not hound mining dependent defaulters till March. Only notices will be sent as a legal formality, assures CM.
Harsh measures, attachment, auction will not be carried out up to March at least.
Autonomous status to Goa University affiliated colleges. Process begins. Scrutiny committee to inspect the infrastructure and facilities first. Statement of South Goa collector irks organizers of Sarvajanik Ganpati. Mandals complain shortage of funds but favor CCTV presence.
We not having the funds. Then why you organize such a function? Sorry to say that.
Parrikar interview to New York Times on Modi shakes BJP. CM claims he was quoted out of context. Prudent brings to you original excerpts of the interview. And will hearing in the Supreme Court on mining from 17 September be decisive? NGOs and legal experts feel no. Dependents hopeful demand resumption by October. Now the news in detail. Relief for mining dependents at least till March on repayment of due loans. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar announced this after holding bankers meet over rescheduling of loans in the mining sector on Thursday. Parrikar said the banks have assured that there will be no harsh measures against the loanees, though notices will be served as a legal requirement. CM is also hopeful that mining will resume within 2 to 3 months.
The meeting with the local bankers was held on Thursday in Panji. State-level committee, CM Manohar Parrikar, government officials, RBI officials, truck owners, barge owners and other stakeholders attended the meet. Parrikar briefed media on the decisions.
Attachment, auction, this kind of activity will not be carried out up to March at least. Notices might be issued as a requirement of the auditing. They have agreed to work out customer to customer based settlement. We have assured them that the road tax matter, which has been already given, but there are some hitches in that, will be sorted out by this month end. So mining will be allowed to be transported only through these existing units. Government will not allow new introduction.
Nearly 1,800 crore rupee worth loans are due from the mining sector to various banks in Goa, including the cooperative ones. NPA has touched 570 crores.
1674 कोटी जी आसा पळय ताका अधिक 100 crores करा, which are from credit societies and other financial institutions, of which 570 approximately has become NPA, of which 214 are urban. NPA झाल्यापैकी म्हणजे गोवा स्टेट, गोवा अर्बन, बिचोली. We expect mining to start not with a bang, but at least start deliveries maybe another 2-3 months.
Latest stand declared by the banks and CM statement thereafter has brought a ray of hope for the truck and barge owners.
So, meeting you satisfied?
Yeah, much. I mean, the amount of tensions what we were under till today, that so many notices are being issued. So we feel that we are not willful defaulters, and therefore the stand taken by the government to convince the banks has been very positive.
हे मिटिंगे बसले आम्ही हॅपी आसा. आता तेणी ते सीएमा वजिरीचें कितें सांगलेलें आसा, उतर दिलेलें आसा, तेणी पाळपाचें
बँकारान सगळे ट्रक ओनर आपण लेटर धाडलें तुमकां कांयचे भिवपा गरज ना. आपण ती फॉर्मेलिटीज धाडल्या ते म्हणजे सीएमा तेणें सांगिलां तुमकां कोणा भिवपा गरज ना, आमी तें कांय करपा ना म्हणून कांय करपा ना. आमी तेणें प्रॉमीस दिला मार्च पासून. त्याला आमगे ट्रक ओनर हांव इतलें सांगूंक सोदता तुमी कितली भिवपा गरज ना, तुमकां जातले बाय तुमी काळजी घट करे आनी तुमगे मुखाल्ले हेका तुमगे गाडी सारकी करून तुमी तयार रावाय.
Laukik Shilkar and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
The process of awarding autonomous status to the colleges affiliated with Goa University has begun. However, they can attain this status only after fulfilling the rules and guidelines laid down by the university. University has already put the framework in place which is required to implement the policy. The scrutiny committee of the university will inspect the infrastructure and facilities before declaring an institution as autonomous.
Colleges in the state who can impress the scrutiny committee of university and fit in the framework laid down by the university can attain the autonomous status. This will allow colleges to decide the academic syllabus and curriculum. University will only act as a monitoring body. However, university itself claims that it is a laborious process. It will undergo various levels of scrutinies and checks. College will be conferred autonomous status only after the approval of state government, followed by the approval from University Grants Commission.
The university has put together a framework by which each college can go ahead and start making preparations for it. There are certain requirements that each college needs to meet before the college is identified as an autonomous college. There is a group decides whether the college is ready for academic autonomy, and that group contains representatives of UGC, representatives of the local government, representatives of the university. It is something that needs to be done carefully.
Shetye is very ambitious about the system.
Education is personal. Education requires special attention of a teacher to a student. The benefit is that this process of learning and teaching, in which a student and a teacher are intimately associated, is brought a little closer to both the student and the teacher rather than an organization like the university deciding how this process of learning and teaching should happen.
Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Many Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav mandals are upset with South Goa collector's remark on installation of CCTVs. Majority of mandals are facing paucity of funds, while few are in support of installing such surveillance in and around pandals. Organizers have also come out with a suggestion that government or the local administration may provide CCTV cameras to mandals on rent. Watch this report.
If you put the pandals, costly pandals, CC camera is not costly than the life of the people. In the name of we not having the funds, then why you organize such a function? Sorry to say that.
This was South Goa collector N.D. Agarwal's statement that has irked few organizers. Ganeshotsav Mandal at Piplaped feels CCTV is necessary, while Yuvak Mandal at Ake says, though good idea, can't afford it.
हे 2 वर्सांतल्यान आमी कॅमेरा बसयल्ले आसात पेंडलाक आनी म्हाका दिसता हे गरजेचें आसा कित्याक आमी सगळे देशभरात आयकतात हे दहशतवादी आनी कसले एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स नाका आशिल्ले प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रिएट करतात.
आयडिया बरी आसा वायट ना आमी प्रयत्न करतात कितें पूण हांव सांगूंक शकना कित्याक आमी बसयतलो म्हूण सांगूंक शकना कित्याक आमकां तेंय पळोवपाक जाय न्ही एक्सपेंडिचर सायड पळोवपाक जाय न्ही.
Vinay Kala Sangh at Bayana understands the importance of CCTV, but they are more offended with collector's statement. Shantadurga Kala Krida Sangh suggests that government or Murgaon municipality may provide the system which is lying unused.
आमच्या गणेश उत्सवाक आमी आमची स्वताची सेक्युरिटी गार्ड्स दवरता तरी आसतना ते म्हणपाक लागले की CCTV लावप हे कंपल्सरी आसा पूण येदो व्हडलो इव्हेंट करूं नाका अशें म्हणप अत्यंत चुकीचो आसा हेचो आमी निशेध करता. आमची मागणी आसा की अगरवाल कलेक्टर अगरवालांनी अशें वक्तव्य करचें न्ही.
म्युनिसिपालिटीचे CC कॅमेरा हाडून आमकां दिवचे आमी लावंक शकता कित्याक CC कॅमेरा आनी आतां मायनींग इफेक्टेड गोवा आसल्यान इतको आतां डोनेशनूय कोण इतकें आमकां दिनात तितूनच आमकां जें कितें गावता तितूनच आमी कशेंय करून गणपती करता. तर एक तर गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां प्रोवायड करचें CCTV कॅमेरा नाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन वास्को म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन बीन CCTV कॅमेरा आहा ते प्रोवायड करचे आमकां.
Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal in Sanghe stresses for CCTV cameras in pandals.
सेक्युरिटी कशें आसा लोकांचो विचार करता आसतना एखादे कितें तर आज आतंकवादी किंवा टेररिस्ट म्हणा असो एक मॉब जाल्ले कारणान कितें तर जालो अशी दुर्घटना घडची न्ही म्हूण आमी CCTV cameras प्रत्येक फूल सराउंडिंग बसयल्ले कडेन आसात.
Are we losing the basic concept of Sarvajanik Ganpati due to heavy security and surveillance measures? Secretary of Mapsa Ganeshotsav Samiti Tushar Tople raised the question.
सार्वजनिक गणेशोत्सव म्हणतात पण ह्या संरक्षणा खातीर आज सार्वजनिक गणेशोत्सवाचो अर्थच नष्ट जाता का कितें म्हणजे पोलिसांच्या म्हणजे संरक्षणा खातीर सार्वजनिकाचो अर्थ काढून आमी आज गणेशोत्सवाक प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड करपाची वेळ येयल्या का कितें.
Bureau Report Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.